Hi, in this video we are going to create the consequences by place heatmap chart from the incident reports dashboard. This video is part of a sequence of videos. I recommend you to at least watch the introduction and the video where we create the select card, where we do all the data processing to get the data we need. So I'm going to create a new card below the select, and I'm going to select group by. What we need to do is to count incidents by place and consequence. So we need to just count. So I'm going to drag the place column and drop it in the select count, and drag the place to the group by key and consequence column to group by key. So we are counting basically incidents by these two keys. I'm going to sort them, so they are sorted alphabetically in the resulting chart. And now I'm going to create a chart below the group by, select the chart type, and chart place count by probably place first. The order of the keys will define the default settings for the chart. And it created a bar chart by default, stack chart. I want to select heatmap, so I'm going to select the drop down for chart type and select the drop down. In this case, to make more use of the space for the labels, since some of them are really long, I set an angle of 45 degrees for the axis labels. To do that, expand the settings for the chart here at the right of the chart type, go to the X label, and drag the slider to 45. This is for the x-axis, so it's there. And do the same for the y label. You can do any other angle, but 45 seems to be a good value. You can, of course, change the margins and the colors and other things. For this one, it's okay because that's how it's displayed on the dashboard. Before finishing, I forgot, I'm going to give a good name to each card, Control or Command, and double click on the group by. And for this one, since it's going to be displayed in the dashboard, I'm going to give it a more descriptive title. I just copied from the dashboard, but you can write it by hand. I'm going to collapse the settings, and now we have our heat map. If you want, check the other videos on how to create all the other charts and finally how to assemble them into a layout card and share it. Bye.